So today I'm gonna be teaching you all about Python. So first, in Python, to start using Python, you have to go to the website first. So you click on this download Python 3 point. This is the latest version. So I'm going to click on download Python 3.11.2. So when I click on it, it's gonna wait for it to download. I'm coming. Let me remove this. So you press save. Yeah, let's get to wait for it to finish downloading. So I'm gonna press open when done. It's gonna wait just a few seconds. And it's gonna be true. Okay, a little bit. 10. Okay, it's gonna open soon. Any moment now. Okay, and it's about to open. So once we are done downloading this, so I'm going to start coding with Python. Okay, it wants to open now. One. So now we are going to press. Make sure you click on this button here, add Python exe to path. Make sure you click on it. So I'm just gonna install now. I'll make sure I'm coming. Let me first move this. I'm just gonna make sure it's there. I'm going to press install now. Click on yes, install. Let's wait till it's installing. I'll wait a little bit. So when that is done, we are going to be through with that. So I'm using Visual Studio Code for my coding app. To for my editor, I'm using Visual Studio Code. So you want to check the version of Python you have. Go to CMD, control and sorry, command prompt, run as administrator. CMD. Okay, it's opening. Now I'm gonna type in Python space dash dash. I mean, it's a little bit for this stuff. Okay, Python dash dash version. You want to check the version of Python you have. So when I'm through, mine is going to change. So now I have Python 3.10.4. This is my version of Python I have. So when I'm through with that, I'm going to go away. So it's installing that right at the moment now. So let's continue now. So right now I'm going to teach you about the print function. So now the print function, like you don't say print hello world. I'm gonna type print hello world. Now what this is going to do is that it's gonna print it out like your output. I'm telling a computer to do something. It's gonna print it out back. So I'm going to click on one now. So I clicked hello world. Done. So hello world is okay. I clicked hello world. Okay. Now I'm gonna type in print. Make sure I put this dot stuff in between for it to work. Sub subscribe to Techademia. So now I'm gonna click on it now, and it's going to like one. But now what I'm trying to do now is to leave some space in between Hello World and subscribe to Techademia. So I'm going to use this slash n. I call it slash n. So I'm going to press slash n on the keyboard. So after this hello word, I'm going to leave a space, then press slash n. This is to leave, is to create a space. So now I'm going to save it. Now I'm going to run it so I can see what I'm talking about. Now it has left a space. You can see a gap. There's a gap in between hello world and subscribe to Techademia. So now it's what I'm talking about. So already I covered now the print function. This is to like print an output that I want the computer to give, not the computer to print. I don't like printing a work, it print it out. So let's say now let's do more some more for things. Now let's go to numbers. Come Let's go to numbers. So if I say my age, I note that this is a variable. Now you can define a variable to something now, like what we're about to do now. You can define a variable to something. So you can say my age is equals to, since I'm 13, I'm going to try 9 plus 4. I'm going to say I want it to print my age. So I'm going to say print my age. And now just watch what is going to happen now. It printed my age. Fine. Okay. 9 plus 4 is 13. So I'm going to print my age. Now, let's say now, there are different types now. We can say there's a string, there are integers, there are floats. Now, string is like a word, letters grouped together, while integer is a number. Float can be a decimal point. So let me move this. And in Visual Studio Code, you see the color when you're using a particular stuff like print. Honestly, you're going to see color. I'm going to say print integer my age. Still gave me 13. So now let's go to another thing. Let's say my age is 9. And I say your age is equals to, let's say, 18. Or let's say, sorry, 20. Anyway. And now I'm not telling computer to print your age minus my age. So now I'm telling the computer to print the result. So I'm going to click on the one function here. 11. Okay, fine. That is the answer. The computer is printing your age and my age. So now let's say my age is, I mean, integer my, sorry, I don't want to remove it. So integer my age. So I'm gonna put integer my age. Sorry, age is 9. Your age is 20. So I can say result. I'm going to assign another variable. Result. Sorry, the space. Result is equals to your age minus my age. Now this is more useful in case you don't write. Let's say you can have hello everybody is equals to 20. Instead of you doing that, you can just put result equals to this minus this. So you don't have to print number, so you don't have to print your age minus age, my age. You just have to print result. So now the print result. See 11. So this is what we're going to be covering for this video. By the next videos, we're going to be looking at if, elif, and other functions. I'm going to put in the link below for Visual Studio Code. And so my setup was successful. So I'm going to run CMD again. I'm going to show you how what it's going to look like now when since I finished installing a new version of Python on my system. Just wait a little bit. Click on yes. Sorry, I pressed that twice. So click on yes. Type in Python dash version. Sorry, made a mistake. Python dash version. Yeah, I can see now we have the new Python version now. So this is a very important technique I just use to check the version of apps you have like Python. So bye bye.